We're in front of an interesting Etrusco 640 CV, the longest wheelbase from Fiat Ducato. And we are looking at the price, not shown right now, but we shall be looking at the interior. So this is a pretty wide area and wide sitting area that offers sitting for 4 and actually sleeping for 4 because we have a pop-up roof and long longitudinal bed about 2 meters in length and 1.8 meters on the widest part. Toilet with Thetford cassette toilet, and going outside we have the cabinets going straight down with the standard Dometic 2-burner stove and sink. Going from this part we have a lot of cabinets for the storage and another cabinet right here, and going out we have an actual taller fridge that opens just from the inside. It's the 95-liter version, and if you are going up we are looking at a pop-up roof bed with 2 meters of length and 140 centimeters at the widest part, and we have the included sky roof. Getting outside for a better look with the actual pop-up roof open. There is an interesting LED strip going all around, and on the back it's my wife checking up the interior, and we shall be opening this part so we can measure the actual bed size for a measure of 1.8 at this side, and going from that side is 1.9, and here we have now the bed folded. It will be approximately at 1.8, so a pretty wide sleeping area and perfect van for a family of 4. What do you say, wifey? It's good? Yeah, she's really interested in this one. Well, there you have it. There is not actual price spec, but it's starting from 70,000 euros. Let me lower down the exposure and actually try to focus on the price. Yep, it's 70,000 euros. Is it good? Oh, not sure.